Hello, I am T. Berry. Before you take time out of your busy life to look at the video, 10 Lazy Person's Tips to Finally Lose Weight Without Starving, watch this quick summary of the video to see how it can benefit you. Thanks. Don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate you. Hello, I am T. Berry. This exciting video summary is about 10 lazy person's tips to finally lose weight without starving. Replace chips with crunchy veggies, fruits, and nuts. A glass of water plays its role in suppressing appetite and boosting metabolism. A peaceful sleep 7 to 8 hours provides hormonal balance and craving reduction. Exercises like stretching or walking while on a phone call helps beyond expectations. Use a small plate versus a large plate to make portion control work for you. You will be amazed at how this shrinks and flattens the stomach. Slow down. Turn off the TV. Put down your cell phone. Start focusing on your food. Eat slowly, enjoying each bite to avoid overeating. You're going to be amazed at the results of this eating hack. Let's dive into the world of meal prepping, where, well, healthy meals are prepared in advance. Imagine having your week sorted with nutritious options, all ready to go. It's not just about saving time, it's about making sure you stay on track with your health goals. So, let's get started and see how easy it can be to prepare wholesome meals ahead of time. Instead of reaching for that sugary syrup in your coffee, why not try a sprinkle of cinnamon? It's a simple swap that can make a big difference. These days, apps and wearable tech can be game changers for monitoring your diet and exercise. They make it easier to stay on track and reach your goals. When we focus on the sensory experience of our food, we can find greater satisfaction in what we eat. It's all about savoring each bite and being present in the moment. Remember, small changes can lead to big results. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips, and we'd love to hear your own hacks in the comments below. Greetings to all you health seekers. T. Berry is here, your guide to navigating life's pleasures with minimal effort. Today we're tackling a topic near and dear to my heart and stomach: losing weight without breaking a sweat, literally. We'll be diving into 10 incredibly easy, dare I say, lazy tips to finally shed those pesky pounds without transforming into a gym rat or swearing off snacks. Stick with me, subscribe for more life-changing laziness, and let's embark on this weight loss journey together, one effortless step at a time. Now I understand the struggle of resisting a bag of chips while lounging on the couch. Believe me, I've been there. But what if I told you snacking doesn't have to be your enemy? It's all about making smarter choices without sacrificing convenience. Swap those greasy potato chips for pre-cut veggies and hummus, a handful of almonds, or a piece of fruit. You can find these ready-to-eat snacks at any grocery store. Look for pre-packaged veggie platters, single-serving bags of nuts, or conveniently placed fruit baskets. Now, let's talk about a magical elixir that not only keeps you alive, but also helps shed those unwanted pounds. Water. Yes, my friends, good old H2O is a secret weapon in the battle against the bulge. Drinking enough water keeps those hunger pangs at bay, and even gives your metabolism a little nudge in the right direction. Keep a water bottle within arm's reach at all times. Consider it an extension of your hand, always there to quench your thirst and trick your stomach into feeling full. All right, folks, let's talk about something we all love: sleep. Did you know that catching enough zizzes can actually help you shed those extra pounds? It's true. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more of the hunger hormone, ghrelin, and less of the hormone that tells you you're full, leptin. So, you end up craving sugary treats and unhealthy snacks all day long. Who needs that kind of temptation? Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night, and you'll be amazed at how much better you feel and how much easier it is to resist those cravings. Think of it this way: a well-rested body is a happy body, and a happy body is more likely to make healthy choices. So tonight, ditch the late-night TV binging and treat yourself to an early night. Your waistline will thank you for it. Now let's talk exercise. I know what you're thinking. Exercise? T. Barry, you promised lazy. Don't worry, I've got you covered. We're not talking about hours at the gym. We're talking about sneaking in little bits of movement throughout your day. Think about it. Every time a commercial comes on during your favorite show, get up and do some stretches. Calf raises while you brush your teeth? Genius. Walking around while you're on the phone? You bet. These little things add up. And the best part? You don't need any fancy equipment or a gym membership. Just your own body and a can-do attitude. Okay, friends, let's talk about a simple but powerful trick that can help you eat less without even realizing it, using smaller plates. You see, our brains are funny things. They tend to associate a full plate with a satisfying meal. So when you use a larger plate, you're more likely to pile on more food to make it look full, even if you're not actually hungry enough to eat it all. But when you use a smaller plate, you can fill it up with a smaller portion, and your brain will still be tricked into thinking you're eating a full and satisfying meal. It's all about perspective, folks. A smaller plate can make a big difference in controlling portion sizes and preventing overeating without you even feeling deprived. Greetings, friends. Welcome to another episode where we explore simple yet effective ways to improve our health and well-being. Today, we're diving into the forgotten art of leisurely dining. In our fast-paced world, we often overlook the importance of taking our time with meals. You see, it's not just about what you eat, but how you eat it. Eating slowly and mindfully can transform your relationship with food. That's right, taking your time and savoring each bite can work wonders for your waistline. It allows you to truly enjoy your food and feel more satisfied. Think of it like this: your stomach is a train depot, not a racetrack. Meals should be a journey, not a sprint. It takes time for those signals of fullness to reach your brain. When you eat too quickly, you might miss these important cues. By slowing down, You give your body a chance to catch up and tell you when it's had enough. This can prevent overeating and help you maintain a healthy weight. Now, I understand the modern world is all about speed and efficiency. We're always on the go, juggling multiple tasks. But trust me, rushing through your meals is a one-way ticket to overeating and those unwanted pounds. It can also lead to digestive issues and a less enjoyable eating experience. So put down the phone, switch off the telly, and give your meal the attention it deserves. Make mealtime a sacred moment. Here's a little trick I like to call the fork pause. It's a simple yet powerful habit. After each bite, put your fork down, take a sip of water, and savor the flavors. This not only helps you eat slower, but also enhances your dining experience. It's amazing how such a simple act can make such a difference. Give it a try and see how it transforms your meals and your health. The age-old dilemma. You're tired, hungry, and the only thing quicker than ordering takeout is rummaging through the pantry for a bag of chips. We've all been there, staring into the abyss of an empty fridge, wondering what to eat. It's a frustrating moment, especially when you're too exhausted to cook. But fret not, my friends, for I'm about to let you in on a little secret meal prepping. It's a game changer that can save you time, money, and a whole lot of stress. Now, before you run for the hills, this isn't about slaving away in the kitchen all Sunday afternoon. It's about making your life easier with a bit of planning and minimal effort. This is about strategic, lazy person meal prep. You don't need to be a master chef to make this work. We're talking simple recipes, minimal ingredients, and maximum deliciousness. Imagine having a variety of tasty meals ready to go without the daily hassle. Think of it like this. You're a general preparing for battle against those midweek cravings. With a little preparation, you can outsmart your hunger. By having a stockpile of healthy, pre-made meals, you'll be ready to conquer any hunger pang that comes your way. No more last-minute takeout orders or unhealthy snacking. And the best part, you don't need to be a culinary genius to pull this off. It's all about simplicity and efficiency. A little chopping, some simple cooking. And voila! You've got a week's worth of meals that are both healthy and delicious. You've got a week's worth of healthy meals ready to go. So next time you open that fridge, you'll be greeted with a bounty of ready-to-eat goodness. Now I know what you're thinking. T. Berry, are you telling me I have to give up all my favorite foods? Absolutely not. This isn't about deprivation, my friends. It's about making smarter choices. It's about swapping out those calorie bombs for healthier, equally delicious alternatives. Take your morning coffee, for instance. That sugary syrup might taste divine, but it's also a sugar crash waiting to happen. Try a dash of cinnamon or a sprinkle of cocoa powder instead. You'll still get that burst of flavor without the guilt trip. And let's not forget about those late night cravings. Instead of reaching for the ice cream, how about some Greek yogurt with berries and a drizzle of honey? It's sweet, satisfying, and won't leave you feeling like you need to loosen your belt. Remember, it's all about those little swaps, those tiny tweaks that add up to big results. We've got spaceships and moon bases. Surely we can use some of that tech to fight the battle of the bulge, right? In this age of rapid technological advancements, it seems only fitting that we leverage some of these innovations to help us stay fit and healthy. Look, losing weight doesn't mean you need to become a computer programmer, but there are some handy gadgets and gizmos out there that can make the journey a little smoother. These tools are designed to integrate seamlessly into our daily lives, making it easier to stay on track with our fitness goals. First up, we've got these things called apps. These little marvels can turn your smartphone into a personal health assistant. No, not the kind Commander Koenig uses to contact Earth. These are much more advanced and user-friendly. These apps live on your phone and help you keep track of what you're eating. They can log your meals, count your calories, and even suggest healthier alternatives. Imagine a food diary, but digital and way less embarrassing to carry around. You can update it anytime, anywhere without anyone noticing. Then there are these wearable thingamajigs, fitness trackers. These devices are like having a mini gym coach with you at all times. They monitor your steps, how much you're moving around, even how well you're sleeping. Some can even track your heart rate and other vital signs. It's like having a personal trainer strapped to your wrist, but a lot less chatty, thankfully. Plus, they provide real-time feedback, helping you adjust your activities for better results. So don't be afraid to embrace a little technology on your weight loss journey. These tools are here to assist, not replace your efforts. It's not about replacing hard work, but about making things a little easier, a little more manageable. With the right tech, you can stay motivated and on track, turning your fitness goals into achievable milestones. Now, before you start thinking this is some new age mumbo jumbo from the Psychon department, hear me out. Mindful eating is simpler than you think. It's about paying attention to your food, really tasting it, and appreciating every bite. Think about it. When you shovel food down in a hurry, distracted by the comlink or a laser pistol training session, do you even enjoy it? Probably not. And chances are you'll end up eating more than you need because your body doesn't have time to register that it's full. So, slow down. Put your fork down between bites. Engage all your senses. Look at the colors, smell the aromas, savor the textures. You might be surprised how much more satisfying your meals become. Remember, eating shouldn't be a chore or a race against the clock. It's about nourishing your body and enjoying the experience. All right, space travelers. We've covered a lot of ground today. From sneaky snack swaps to harnessing the power of technology. Remember those simple swaps, like choosing fruit over a candy bar, or taking the stairs instead of the travel tubes. And don't forget about those apps we talked about. They can be really helpful for staying on track. The key here is to find what works for you. Don't try to change everything overnight. Start small, pick one or two tips that resonate with you, and build from there. And you got this. Now go out there and conquer those weight loss goals. Oh, and before you blast off, hit that subscribe button and tell us in the comments what your favorite lazy person weight loss hack is. Until next time, this is T. Barry signing off.